Hi kids, today we are going to look at these colorful crayons and identify each color. We'll also open them and see what items they have inside. Let's begin. The first crayon we have is color purple. The next one we have is color green. Then we have color blue. We have color pink, color orange, color yellow, color brown, and finally we have color red. Let's open one by one and see what surprises we find inside. Let's start with the purple crayon. Let's open it and see what it has inside. Let's take a look at these items. The first one here is a purple fish. It's a fish. A purple fish. The next one we have is a purple popsicle. Here we have some purple grapes. Now this one is an insect. It's called a dragonfly. A dragonfly is an insect that flies. And finally, we have a purple airplane. An airplane also flies and transports people. Now we're going to look at the green crayon. The first item that we have is this one. These are green grapes. This one is another insect. Do you know its name? This one is called a grasshopper. A green grasshopper. And here we have a piece of celery. Celery is a type of vegetable that we eat. And here we have a green frog. Green frog. And finally, we have a green Christmas tree. Let's look at the next crayon. This crayon is color blue. The first item we have is a whale. This is a blue whale. Whales live in the ocean. Here we have a blue bear. A cute little bear. And here we also have a blue boat. This boat is color blue. Here we have a blue deer. This deer is color blue. This one is a blue backpack. A backpack is where you carry all your school supplies. And finally, we have a pair of glasses. A blue pair of glasses. The next crayon we have is color pink. This is a pink crayon. Here we have some pink items. The first item we have is a pink ice cream. And here we have a pink worm. You can see that the worm has a mouth and two eyes. This is a pink worm. This worm lives in the dirt. And here we also have a pink pig. This pig is color pink. Here we also have a heart. This heart is color pink as well. And finally, we have a bouquet of flowers. These are also pink flowers. They are roses. The next crayon we have is color orange. Here we have our orange items. The first item we have is a carrot. This carrot is color orange. Here we have an orange popsicle. Here we have a cat. This cat is also color orange. And here we have another fish. This is also an orange fish. Here we have a pumpkin. This is an orange pumpkin. Our final item is a pencil. It's also color orange. We use a pencil to write and draw. Now we are going to look at the yellow crayon. Let's go ahead and open it. The first item we have is a starfish. This starfish lives in the sea. This one has 2 eyes and a mouth. This is a yellow starfish. The next item we have is a banana. This banana is color yellow. Banana is also a fruit and is very delicious. Here we have a school bus. This is a yellow school bus. A school bus transports students to school. The next item we have is a leaf. This leaf is color yellow. Here we have a lemon. This is also a yellow lemon. And finally, we have a potato chip. This is a yellow potato chip. The next crayon we have is color brown. Let's open it and see what we find inside. Here we have some brown items. The first item we have is a squirrel. This squirrel is color brown. Our next item is a turkey. This turkey is also color brown. The next item we have is a horse. This is a brown horse. And finally, we have a pretzel. This pretzel is also color brown. Here we have our last crayon. This crayon is color red. Let's go ahead and open it. Here we have some red items. Our first item is an apple. This is a red apple. The next item we have is a crab. This crab is also color red. It lives in the ocean. This strawberry is color red. A strawberry is a delicious fruit. Here we have a tomato slice. This tomato slice is color red as well. A tomato is a vegetable. And here we have a fire truck. This is a red fire truck. Fire trucks are used to put out fires. And finally, we have a fire hydrant. This fire hydrant is also color red. Firefighters use fire hydrants to get water and put out fires. Let's go over our colors one more time. This is a red crayon. Color brown. Color yellow. Color orange. Color pink. Color blue. Color green. And color purple. Thank you for joining me in this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and check our channel for more educational videos. See you next time.